Ready to upgrade your driving experience? From smart tech and comfort boosters to cleaning tools and safety essentials, these must-have car accessories bring convenience, style, and practicality to every journey. Whether commuting or road tripping, there's something here to make your ride smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. All products links in the description section below. Turning your car into a productive mini workspace got easier with this laptop mount. Whether you're parked between meetings, studying on the go, or catching up on emails during a road trip, it creates a stable, comfortable setup in seconds. The adjustable height helps reduce strain, while the foldable design makes it easy to stash away when you're done. It's one of those simple upgrades that quietly makes everyday routines smoother and more efficient. If you've ever wished your car could do more, this might be worth trying at $29.99 today for your daily drive. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to a smoother, smarter drive with this compact auto adapter. The moment you start your car, your phone connects effortlessly, letting you jump straight into music, maps, or calls without distractions. It's perfect for daily commutes, road trips, or even quick errands where convenience matters most. With its tiny design and fast, stable performance, it quietly upgrades your entire in-car experience. If you're ready for a cleaner, more seamless setup, this is definitely worth exploring at $59.98 right now for your ride. Traveling with your dog just got a whole lot easier and cleaner with this durable seat cover. Whether it's a quick vet visit or a long weekend adventure, it keeps your car protected while giving your pet a stable, comfortable space to relax. The waterproof layers handle messes effortlessly, and the sturdy base means even larger dogs can ride with confidence. It's the kind of upgrade that makes every trip feel less stressful and more enjoyable for both of you. Definitely worth considering at $79.01 for your next road trip with your furry companion. Parking, reversing, and towing feel far less stressful with this smart backup camera system in place. Whether you're navigating tight city spots or backing up a trailer on a road trip, the clear HD view and dual camera setup give you extra confidence behind the wheel. The quick, wire-free installation makes it easy to get started, while the solar-powered design keeps things running with minimal effort. It's a practical upgrade that adds real peace of mind every time you drive. Definitely worth checking out at $219.99 for safer, easier maneuvering every day. Long drives feel a lot shorter and more enjoyable when everyone has something to watch. This overhead monitor transforms your car into a mini entertainment hub, perfect for family trips, road adventures, or keeping passengers relaxed on daily commutes. The large screen and multiple input options make it easy to stream movies, play games, or share videos right from your device. It's a simple way to upgrade comfort and keep everyone engaged on the road. Definitely worth adding to your setup at $209.99 for a better in-car entertainment experience. Keeping your tires in check doesn't have to be a hassle, especially with a reliable digital gauge like this. Whether you're heading out on a long trip or just doing a quick driveway check, it helps you maintain the right pressure for better safety, fuel efficiency, and smoother rides. The compact design makes it easy to store in your glove box, and the clear readings take the guesswork out of maintenance. It's a small tool that makes a big difference over time. Definitely worth having on hand at $15.19 for peace of mind on every drive. Running out of battery on the road can be frustrating, but this retractable car charger keeps everything powered without the clutter. Whether you're navigating, streaming music, or charging multiple devices on a road trip, it handles it all with ease. The retractable cables keep your space neat, while fast charging ensures you're never stuck waiting. It's perfect for busy days, shared rides, or long drives where staying connected matters most. A simple upgrade that makes everyday driving more convenient at $25.99 for a cleaner, smarter charging setup. Working on your car or handling unexpected roadside issues becomes much easier when you have reliable lighting like this. Whether you're fixing something under the hood at night or tackling a project in your garage, it delivers bright, adjustable illumination exactly where you need it. The magnetic ends and hooks free up your hands, making tasks smoother and more efficient. It's a practical tool that brings confidence to any repair or inspection situation. Definitely a smart addition to your kit at $32.38 for better visibility whenever you need it. Hot days on the road can get uncomfortable fast, but this compact vent fan helps keep things cool and refreshing. Whether you're stuck in traffic, heading out on a summer drive, or just need extra airflow, it boosts your car's cooling without any hassle. The adjustable angles and quiet operation make it easy to stay comfortable without distraction, while the soft lighting adds a nice touch to your interior. It's a simple upgrade that makes every ride more pleasant. Definitely worth trying at $12.99 for a cooler, more relaxed driving experience. Adding a touch of personality to your car interior can make every drive feel a bit more special. These LED cup holder lights create a soft, ambient glow that's perfect for night drives, road trips, or just elevating your everyday commute. With multiple colors and modes, you can easily match your mood or style while keeping things subtle and stylish. They're easy to use, rechargeable, and bring a modern vibe to your space without effort. A fun little upgrade worth trying at $17.99 for a more vibrant and customized driving experience. Sometimes it's the small details that keep everything running smoothly, and these adhesive pads are a perfect example. Whether you're securing a dash cam for daily commutes or long road trips, they provide a strong, reliable hold that keeps your device exactly where it should be. The heat-resistant design means you don't have to worry about it slipping in hot weather, while the easy application makes setup quick and stress-free. It's a simple fix that saves you future hassle. Definitely worth having on hand at $5.99 for a more secure and worrying-free setup. Adding a little sparkle to your car interior can instantly lift the mood of every drive. These bling car coasters not only protect your cup holders from spills and scratches, but also bring a stylish, eye-catching touch to your space. Whether you're heading out for a quick errand or a night drive, they add that subtle flair that makes your car feel more personal. Easy to clean and fit perfectly, they're both practical and decorative. A fun upgrade to try at $7.99 for a cleaner, more stylish ride. Protecting your car's interior from scorching sun and harmful UV rays doesn't have to be a hassle. This windshield sunshade pops up easily like an umbrella, keeping your cabin cool while shielding seats, dashboards, and electronics from heat damage. Its durable design and universal fit make it ideal for everyday use or long trips. Lightweight and easy to store, it adds convenience while giving your car a touch of personality with fun designs. A simple upgrade that really pays off at $14.39 for a cooler, more protected ride. Elevate your car's interior ambience with this versatile magnetic ceiling light. Soft yet bright LED illumination makes it perfect for reading, finding items, or creating a cozy atmosphere during road trips or camping. Its USB rechargeable design keeps things convenient, while multiple color modes let you set the mood just right. Easy to install with its magnetic mount, it adapts effortlessly to cars, RVs, or even closets and bedrooms. Compact, portable, and practical, it's a clever little upgrade that brightens every dark corner for only $14.69 for a stylish, functional glow. Upgrade your car cleaning game with the professional 4-pack long handle wheel brush kit. This versatile set includes 2 ultra-soft synthetic woolies for delicate wheel rims, a soft detailing brush for lug nut cavities, and a stiff tire brush for tough dirt. The bendable design allows you to reach tight spots with ease, while high-quality, scratch-free materials ensure your wheels stay pristine. Comfortable silicone grips prevent slipping, and the brushes hold plenty of cleaning solution for efficient scrubbing. Easy to rinse and air dry, this $16.99 kit makes wheel and tire cleaning faster, safer, and more effective. Enhance your Toyota RAV for charging experience with the 4-port retractable USB hub. Featuring 8-color RGB lighting, this hub adds a stylish glow while keeping your center console neat with retractable cables. It offers PD20W, QC 3.0, 18W, and Type-C fast charging for multiple devices simultaneously. Easy to install. It's custom designed for 2020 to 5 RAV4 models, perfectly blending functionality with the car's interior aesthetics. Ideal for phones, tablets, earbuds, and other gadgets, this hub ensures a clutter-free, high-tech driving experience. This must-have RAV for accessory comes at $42.99 for premium convenience and style. Keep your tires fully inflated on the go with the Etenwolf Vortex S6 tire inflator. This portable, cordless air compressor features a 19,200 mAh battery, dual-cylinder pump, and 100% duty cycle for heavy-duty vehicles, cars, bikes, and inflatables. With its vivid orange design, it's easy to spot and ready for use anytime, anywhere. Perfect for road trips, emergencies, and daily maintenance, it combines power, portability, and reliability. This high-performance tire inflator comes at $104.47 for ultimate convenience and efficiency on the road. Keep your smartphone secure and accessible with the LISEN Suction Phone Mount 2026 Auto Vacuum 3.0. This 360 adjustable magnetic mount features continuous resuction technology, pro-grade magnets, and a multi-axis rotation for perfect viewing in your car. Ideal for iPhone and Android devices, it combines intelligent suction with effortless installation, ensuring your phone stays locked in place even on bumpy roads. With premium support and a 2-year warranty, this mount delivers pro-level stability and convenience. Available at $39.98 for safe, stylish, and reliable phone mounting in any vehicle. Protect your vehicle with the Electop 120 decibels car alarm system, featuring motion detection, a dual alert siren and strobe, and AI-enhanced 3D sensors for maximum security. With adjustable volume, long-lasting battery life, and a stylish compact design, this system deters thieves effectively. Compatible with cars, trucks, and SUVs, it ensures peace of mind on every drive. Backed by wireless remote control and reliable performance, this anti-theft device is a must-have for proactive car owners, available at $32.99 for premium protection and style in one compact system. Keep all your devices powered on the road with the JBQ-CBL cigarette lighter splitter. Featuring a retractable 45 West USB-C cable, dual sockets, and multiple USB ports, it ensures fast charging and smart safety protection. With real-time LED voltage display and broad 12.2 for V compatibility, this splitter organizes your car and powers phones, tablets, GPS, and more efficiently. Its compact design fits SUVs, trucks, RVs, and cars, making long drives hassle-free. Easy to install and certified for safety, this multi-port car charger delivers convenience and peace of mind, available at $28.99 for ultimate road-ready charging. The ANCELDS 50OBT bidirectional scan tool is a full-system automotive diagnostic powerhouse, offering 28 services, including injector coating, DPF regeneration, brake, BMS, oil, and throttle functions. CAN-FD support ensures coverage for 2018-plus vehicles, while wireless Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity lets you move freely around your car. With lifetime free updates, pro-level bidirectional tests, and instant boot-up, it's trusted by thousands of US techs. Designed for serious diagnostics, it delivers precise results without subscriptions or hidden fees. Available at $447.99, this scanner is a long-term investment for reliable car care and efficient repairs. Driving feels smarter and more secure when everything you need is built right into your rearview mirror. This mirror dash cam not only records clear front and rear footage, but also adds modern features like CarPlay, voice control, and navigation support for a more connected experience. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out on longer trips, it keeps you aware, protected, and in control. The wide display and smart functions make every drive feel upgraded. Definitely worth considering at $109.99 for a safer, more advanced driving experience. Long drives in hot weather can get uncomfortable fast, but this cooling car seat cover changes the experience completely. With built-in fans and breathable materials, it keeps you cool and refreshed whether you're commuting daily or heading out on a road trip. The adjustable settings let you find the perfect level of comfort, while the snug fit keeps everything in place. It's one of those upgrades you'll appreciate every time you sit down. Definitely worth trying at $99.99 for a cooler, more comfortable driving experience. Staying on top of your car's performance becomes much easier with this all-in-one gauge display. Whether you're monitoring speed, engine stats, or fuel efficiency, it gives you real-time data right in your line of sight without distractions. Perfect for daily drivers and car enthusiasts alike, it helps you spot issues early and drive with more confidence. The compact design blends neatly into your dashboard while adding a high-tech feel to your setup. Definitely worth checking out at $105 for a smarter, more informed driving experience. Losing small items between your seats can be surprisingly frustrating, but this clever gap filler solves that problem effortlessly. It keeps your phone, keys, and essentials within easy reach while adding a touch of organization to your car interior. Perfect for daily commutes or long drives, it turns unused space into something practical without getting in the way. The premium leather finish blends nicely with most interiors, making it both functional and stylish. Definitely worth adding to your setup at $29.98 for a cleaner, more organized driving experience. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more amazing car tech, woodwork, and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below.